She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
Hi guys, what's up? It's Annabelle. Welcome back to a brand new video. I am so excited for today's video. I have been wanting to do one of these for so long. As you guys can tell by the title, today is going to be a haul video. So I'm not sure if you would consider this to be like a summer haul or what, because it's literally March. I'm gonna go and say that it's a spring haul, just to be on the right track, okay? So welcome to my spring haul. In today's video. Today's video is also sponsored by the one and only PLT, Pretty Little Thing. Pretty Little Thing is one of my favorite clothing stores. They're absolutely amazing. As you guys can see, I have a rack back here. That is all of the clothing that I'm going to be showing you guys today. I'm going to be doing a try-on haul so you guys can see up close and in detail of the clothing that they sent me. Don't forget to go follow Pretty Little Thing on social media and subscribe to their YouTube channel. That'll be linked down below. And also, if you'd like, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and you can follow my social medias as well, and they'll also be down below. One more thing, all of these clothes that I'm going to be showing you guys will also be linked down below, as well as Pretty Little Thing's website. So you guys can just go check it out and go shop right after this video. I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and get into it. I'm so excited to show you guys. Okay, so I guess we'll just start off with the clothes. So Pretty Little Thing sent me 2 bathing suits, and I'm obsessed with both of them. I literally saw this one on the website and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have it. So this one is the Cream Crinkle Eyelet Drawstring Scoop Bikini. This is what the top looks like. It is so cute. It's just like this ivory color. The bottom ties, which I really love because I've never seen that on a bikini before. So I think that's really cool. Here are the bottoms. Y'all, I'm literally obsessed with the bottoms. They're like high-waisted and they also tie. What I love about the tie though is that like you can literally just like tighten it for like how your body shape is or whatever. Does that make sense? But I don't know. I think it's really cute and I cannot wait to wear that. Literally love this swimsuit. Next, I ordered this cheetah print bikini. As soon as I saw this bikini, I was like, dude, I have to get it. So this one's the top. It looks like this. Oh, I love. So it's just this little scoop bikini top. And then the bottoms look like this. Yo, I literally actually love the bottoms because for me, like my bikinis, I don't like too much coverage on the bottom. I like it to be a little cheeky just so I can get like tan. But this is what the bottoms look like, and they're so cute. Literally just like something really tiny, but I love them. Yeah, there's like different styles too for these bikinis, so if you like don't like the style of the bottoms, you can get a different style but like the same pattern, which is cool. So next I ordered this shirt, and it looks like this. It's just a crop top and it says the Rolling Stones, but it's like leopard print. Really pretty nude color. I'm pretty sure it comes in like white and pink or one of those colors as well. So since summer and like warmer weather is coming up, I've been really looking at dresses, and I saw this on the website and thought it was super cute. So they sent me, this is the red ditzy floral print frill detail dress. It looks like this. It's just this pretty red dress, and it ties right here, and then the straps of it are just like so cute. I love it. It's just super like simple but also like super cute. Okay, so this next dress, I have always seen these before, but I've never been brave enough to get one just because like I'm not sure if I could ever pull it off. But then I saw it on the website and I was like, dude, like YOLO, just do it. White puff sleeve square neck bodycon dress. Literally look at it. It's so cute. This long bodycon dress, and I'm pretty sure this is also a mini dress. I love the sleeve so much. It gives me like this really cute little like fancy vibe. I would wear this dress to like go out with the girls, like a night out in the city or something, and I feel like that would be like so fun and like cute pictures and stuff. I could totally see it. And then there's a pair of heels that I actually got from Pretty Little Thing, and I'm gonna show you guys because it would look so good with this dress. So I love it so much and I'm so excited. Okay, so these next 2 pieces of clothing that I have to show you guys, I was freaking out when I saw it because I've always wanted a set right? Okay, I know we're getting into warmer weather, but I could totally wear this inside or to travel or random things. I literally saw it, thought it was super cute, and you can wear them by themselves individually, you know? But I got this dark gray waffle knitted lounge set, and this is what the top looks like. So look at the sleeves and look at the bottom. The bottom's like ruffled, not ruffled, but it's like tightened, so it's like it kind of grips your waist, I guess. But I love it. These are the joggers. I'm obsessed. Okay, so this is what the top looks like, and it's just tied, and then you have some pockets. I couldn't think of the word. Joggers. I love it. And like, I'm so excited for this. I will literally be like straight up chilling and lounging and watching some Netflix and editing in this set, just cause like, look at it, it's just so comfy. Comfy vibes. Love being comfy, especially during quarantine. And the pockets, are you kidding? And then next, I couldn't resist. I had to get one more comfy item. So I decided to get these simple black joggers. I've never had black joggers before. Super simple black joggers. And then, of course, they're like tightened at the bottom. But I don't think you could ever go wrong with like black joggers. It's just like an essential, I feel like. Also, I had a hard time deciding which color to get because I knew I needed black, but they had so many other options. There was like pastel colors, and I am into pastel so much. And there was like red and yellow and pink and like all these dope colors. And I was like, dude, this is so hard. But then I was like, I need black, so I'm just gonna stick with the black. So, yeah. So finally moving on to the shoes, you guys. I am so excited. Like, I'm actually so excited for this. When I ordered these shoes, I will be honest with you, I was a little nervous because I am not the type of person to wear heels all the time, but I know that I like wear, like, I don't know how to explain it. I don't wear heels a lot, but I love them. Like, I love heels. I guess the way that I could say it is that I don't go out enough to wear heels, you know? Or if I do go out, like, I won't want to wear super nice heels. But then when I saw these, I was like, dude, I have to get them. One of the pair is just an essential that I want for spring because I think it would be so cute with one of these dresses, and I have a picture idea in mind that I want to do. I saw this other pair of heels, and I was like, bro, I have to. These are the black clear strap heels. So these heels, they're very, I wouldn't say out of the ordinary, but very out of my comfort zone. But when I got them and received them, I was like, dude, this is it. Like, I'm glad I ordered them because I'm so excited. They look like this, and I'm obsessed with them. So this like wraps around your ankle and like ties, and then this is suede. They also come in silver, so the black would be silver, but I'm in love, like literally. Okay, and then this next pair of heels, I saw these. Dude, it's a sign. Like, these would be so cute for the springtime. With that white dress that I just got, I feel like these would look so cute. Like, just for a cute little spring picture. Prettiest color I've ever seen in a shoe or in a heel before. Literally, like, wow. So I really do love how it's like squared right here. I love that because, you know, most heels are like circular, but I really do love the square detail to that. And then I love the heel. I love how it's like chunky. So those are the shoes. I'm obsessed. I also forgot to show you guys one of the tops that they sent me. So I also got this white Runch side one shoulder crop top, and it looks like this, and it's kind of like scrunched right here. Love it. I feel like it's just such a little cute basic for the summertime, so I'm really excited for this. I'm just like so excited for summer weather and for springtime. It's literally like so hot outside today. It's like 80 degrees. I was like, wow. So yeah, thank you so much to Pretty Little Thing for sponsoring today's video. I am so pumped to wear these heels, especially wear the heels, but I'm really excited to style and wear all of these items because I have a lot of ideas for them. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and like I said, don't forget to go subscribe to Pretty Little Thing, follow their socials, check their website out. Love their clothes. They have a lot of cute clothes right now for the springtime, summertime, and they always have stuff on sale too. They have lots of cute jewelry too, by the way. Just want to put that out there. That is it, and I guess I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys are staying inside, staying safe, and just know that everything will be okay one day. But for now, let's just do our job, stay home, stay safe. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.